windy day at
Aruba
Aruba's.
with a blue Long Island iced tea.
Never had a blue. Don't know what that's all about. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's non-alcoholic. We got scammed.
They put color in it.
Yeah.
They're not gonna push that on this thing. There's no way.
People. Well, you finally got what you want. You got your atmosphere, you got your beach, you're at Aruba's. We're only coming for one drink, that's it. That's so sad. No food. We're gonna go from here and maybe pick up a pizza walk down the way. It's a Chicago pizza, which I always wanted to try. Authentic Chicago pizza. So
Italian desserts.
and Italian desserts.
Gourmet Italian bakery.
Yeah. So we'll see how this goes, and then we'll go home and relax, kick back. I'm spinning round and round, but go back, Jack, do it again. Yeah, yeah. But babe, Rachel, you take me to work? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Alright, Rach. Say goodbye on this beautiful windy day. It'll never come back again. Once this video's done, it's all over, baby. It's all over. But baby, Rachel, you take me to work? Yeah. Oh, round and round we go back.
Why do they only have peppers?
Do
You
it
notice that?
again. What?
There's only pepper on every table with no salt. What the?
I don't know, honey. Maybe it's the virus.
No.
The virus is taking away even the salt at the table.
They got salt. That's weird. Most of the tables have no salt.
I think if they're using it up inside, but there's just nobody out here.
Yeah.
That's why he wanted one extra menu. Oh, maybe that's a sign. If you're only having drinks, you only have one thing, one menu. Beep 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 beep. Do, 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 do. Getting odd pictures, like I got you zoomed up. People. right.